Welcome to Melody Art. I'm David, and today we're going to be printing on canvas. I'm going through the process of stretching that onto stretcher bars and ending up with a finished product. We're looking at a Canon printer here. It's capable of printing on 44-inch wide paper or canvas. Prints in pigment inks, and they have a very long lifespan. So first of all, I'm going to load a 36-inch roll of canvas into this, and then we'll get on with the printing. I should say at this time that Melody Art's been going since 2003, and I've been printing Giclée prints since that time. We bought our first printer, so probably know quite a bit about it by now. We're about to start printing now. By the end of this, I'll have made two mistakes. You'll see that I selected to have two prints. Don't very often make mistakes when I'm doing this, but there we are, distracted doing the videoing, I expect. So while the print is coming out, even though this is speeded up, it's still a very quick printer compared with my old one. That might have taken well over an hour to print something like this. The print I do has borders around it. It's not easy to see with this picture, but I extend a little area at the edge of the picture by 25mm, which takes up the depth of the stretcher bar. Because I do this myself, I can get that quite accurate, and we'll see that at the end. It gives a finished edge. The other thing I do, which you can just see, is I put a title, a copyright and contact details and any edition number, which I invert so that that can be read the right way up on the back. As I said earlier, I managed to print two prints rather than one, so I just cancelled that so that not to waste the canvas for now. I don't use the cutter on the printer for canvases. It suggests that it creates dust and doesn't recommend it, so that's why I put a pair of scissors and just draw a little line at the end of the print and then cut it by hand. The next phase in the process is to bring the print out here. We can see the whole print now. Just scanning around, you can see the titles I mentioned earlier, and you can just about see the edgings that I've stretched out to go around the edge. But we're going to spray the canvas with a Hahnemuhle clear lacquer. This has couple of effects really. One, it does give a little bit of mechanical protection for the picture, just stops it scratching quite as easily, but it's not a real protector. The other is that it does protect the print against UV light, which will cause this to fade if left in a sunny position, even though in normal room conditions, a print like this can last, so it says, up to 100 years or so. This is what I do. I do it before I do the stretching, and I do two coats, and that's what I'm doing now. Sorry that you can't see everything as clearly. It's quite difficult doing this videoing, but there we are. I'll get better perhaps. Please look out for part 2 of this video when I'll be doing the stretching. Thank you, it's been David of Melody Art. Bye for now.